Hi, this is Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology lead software engineer for the company by Fargo. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka, India. The roles and responsibility must have 10 years of experience in development experience in Python and PySpark, exposure to writing APIs and API gateway microservices needed, and nice to having banking or financial services experience is needed. And the second technology is MS SQL DBA for the FIS company. Location will be Chennai, Tamil Nadu. They are looking for bachelor's degree of computer science with the 4 to 7 years of experience candidate. Location will be Chennai. Familiar in common of DBMS and MS SQL Server 2012 to 2016 or later versions. And the third technology is database administrator for the NTT Global Data Center. The location will be Mumbai, Maharashtra. The fourth technology is Finance Business Management Associate Manager for the finance process and operations for the company Accenture India. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The education required is bachelor's degree in finance separation and the location is Bangalore. They are looking for 11 to 14 years of experience candidate. The fifth technology is SQL Database Administrator for the Mindtree company. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. They are looking for 4 plus years of experience candidate with the skills of MS SQL, SQL DBA, and troubleshooting, and 3 plus years of Microsoft Server Database Administrator experience is a plus. And the email ID and the link will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job details. Thank you.